Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.5, Problem 15. This is Section 4.5, Problem 15. It says solve the following. 120% of 35 is what number? And some people will ask, can you have a percent more than 100%? Yes, you definitely can have a percent more than 100%. So you have to convert this to an equation, then solve it. And the key is the word of will become a multiply. The word is will become an equals. So 120% of 35 will be 120% times 35. Is will become equals what number? We can just leave it as a variable, make it n. Now, to actually solve this, I'd rather have this written as a decimal, not a percent. So to convert it, you move the decimal point where it is. It's understood to be after the 0. 2 places to the left, so it becomes 1.20 times 35 equals n. And if you have a calculator, you can just multiply right through. Some teachers will allow you to use a calculator for this question, some will not. If you can't use your calculator, you can just do the multiplication the long way. If you're going to do it the long way, I will let the 0 disappear after the 1.2. It's 1.2 and 1.20. It's the same thing. So then off to the side, we can do it out the long way. 1.2 times 35. You can put the 35 on the top or the bottom. It doesn't matter. So 2 times 35, I can just put 70. The next line down, put a 0 to hold your place. 1 times 35 is 35. And then I will add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12, right? The 2 carry the 1. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. So I have 420, but I have to put the decimal in. In the question, I have 1 digit to the right of the decimal point. So in the answer, I have to have 1 digit to the right of the decimal point also. So my decimal point will go between the 2 and the 0. And I get 42.0. And you don't really need to write the .0 at the end. You can just say that the answer is 42.